Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is about how to make hair scrunchies without sewing machine. We will use a material, rubber band and an empty bottle. The material must be in a rectangular shape. I'm about to fold both edges, but I have to turn the material at the right side. Since we are about to make an invisible stitch, I have to iron those edges. If you don't know anything about invisible stitches, I'm here for you, don't worry. We are about to start the invisible stitch by joining the two folded parts together, starting at the back side. Through that line we cut. Then we make a crossover to the other folded part through that same line. The stitches has to be in line to get a perfect look. The material is soft, so you can see that it's misbehaving. You can use any hard material or African print. For that one, you will get a good line after ironing both edges. So we are done with the first part. I have to turn the material at the back side. We are going to repeat the same process at this part. Okay, so the bottle is ready to use. You can use any bottle you have. I chose some flower bottle. So you can also use any empty cans to do that. Okay, so the same process we made for the first part, we're about to do that here again. So I hope you can make your hair scrunchie at home without sewing machine, but with thread and needle only. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video and drop a comment. My name is Nayada. See you in my next tutorial.